Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Aglasem Schools. So today in this video we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 11 from class 10th NCERT. So we are going to do chapter number 11. The name of the chapter is construction and we are doing exercise 11.1, and here in this video we are covering question number 1, 2 and 3. So this is part 1. So let's start with the very first question, that is question number 1. So here question number 1 says draw a line segment of length 7.6 with a divide in it the ratio 5:8. Measure the two ports, give the justification of the construction. So here we have to give the justification of the construction and we have to draw a line segment of 7.6. So let's start with the solution part. So here what we have to do is we have to draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter which can be divided into ratio of 5:8 as follows. So here in step number 1, let me show you the diagram of this question. So here is a diagram. We are putting this diagram here so that you can understand the question easily. So first of all, we have to draw a line segment AB of 77.6 centimeter and draw a ray AX marking an acute angle with the line segment AB. So we have to draw a line segment of 7.6 centimeter, that is AB. Then we have to mark AX an acute angle. AX as an acute angle. After this we are going to step number 2, that is locate 13 is equal to 5 plus 8, 5:8. So we have to locate 13 point A1, A2, A3, A4, A till A5, A6 till A13 on AX such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 and so on. So here this is a line, we have to mark it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 so on. And step number 3 is join B, A1, 3. So we have to join B, A1 and 3. So A1 line and 3. So we have to join this by using compass. Through the point A5, draw a line parallel to BA13. So we have to draw a line parallel to A13. After that, what we have to do is B13 by marking an acute angle equal to A13B as its sin at A5 intersecting AB at point C. So this is, we have to make the point which is intersecting at point C. Now C is the point dividing line segment AB of 7.6 centimeter in the required ratio of 5:8. The length of AC and CB can be measured. It comes out to 2.9 centimeter and 4.7 respectively. Now doing part 4 in the steps, what we have to do is we have to justify this. So here the construction can be justified by proving that AC upon CB is equals to 5:8, or we can say 5/8. By construction we have A5C is parallel to A13B. By applying basic property, that is proportionality theorem for the triangle A13B, we obtain AC upon CB is equals to A5 upon A5 A13. That is equation number 1. From the figure it can be observed that A5 and A13 contain 5 and 8 equal division of line segment respectively. So A5 upon A5 up A13 is equals to 5:8. That is equation 2. On comparing equation 1 and 2, we obtain AC is equals to 5/8. This justify the construction. So the construction is justified. So here is a diagram, you can see this. So let's start with question number 2, that is construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and then triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first angle. Give the justification of the construction. So here we have what we have to do. We have in step number 1, draw a line segment AB is equals to 4 centimeter. Let me show you the diagram of the same question. The diagram is here on the last page, so you can see from here. So in step number 1, we have to draw a line segment is equals to 4 centimeter, taking point A as center. So here we have to take a point A as a center. Draw an arc of 5 centimeter radius. Similarly, taking point B, we have to draw an arc at point B. These arcs will intersect each other at the point C. Now AC is equals to 5 centimeter and BC is equals to 6 centimeter, and triangle ABC is the required triangle. So now after doing these steps, we are going to step number 2. So step number 2 is draw a ray AX making an acute angle with line AB in the opposite side of vertex C. After that, step number 3 is locate 3 point A1, A2, A3 if as 3 is greater between 2 and 3. So we have to locate the points A1, A2, A3 because 3 is greater on the point on line AX such that A1 is equals to A1, A2 is equals to A2, A3. So this must be A1 is equal to A1 is equal to A2 is equals to A2, A3. Step 4 is join BA3 and draw a line through A2 parallel to BA3. We have to draw a line parallel to BA3 to intersect AB at the point B. So this is the point B which intersect the line. So step number 5 is draw a line through B parallel to the line BC to intersect AC at C. Triangle A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. So triangle A, B dash, C dash is the required triangle. So here what we have to do is we have to justify the construction. The construction can be justified by proving that A, B dash is equals to 2 upon 3 AB, comma, B dash, C dash is equals to 2 upon 3 BC, comma, A, C dash is equal to 2 upon 3 AC. After that, by construction we have B dash, C dash is parallel to BC. Therefore, angle A, B dash, C dash is equals to angle ABC, that is corresponding angles in triangle A dash, B dash, C and triangle ABC. Angle A, B dash, C dash is equals to angle ABC, proved above in the first line. Angle B dash A, C dash is equals to angle BAC, that is common. Therefore, triangle A, B dash, C is similar to triangle ABC, that is similarity criterion theorem. So after that, A B dash upon AB is equals to B dash C upon BC is equals to AC dash upon AC. That is equation 1. In triangle A, A2, B dash and A, A3, B dash, angle A2, AB dash is equals to angle A3, AB, that is common. Angle A, A2, B1 is equal to angle A, A3, B, that is corresponding angle. Cos triangle A, A2, B dash is similar to triangle A, A3, B by similarity criterion. After that, AB dash upon AB is equals to A, A2 upon A, A3 is equals to AB dash upon AB is equals to 2 upon 3, that is equation 2. So here from equation 1 and 2 we obtain AB dash upon AB is equals to B dash C dash upon BC is equals to AC dash upon AC is equals to 2 upon 3. So here AB dash is equal to 2 upon 3 AB, comma, B dash C dash is equals to 2 upon 3 BC, A C dash is equals to 2 upon 3 AC. This justify the construction. So this is the diagram for question number 2, figure 11.1, question number 2. You can copy this diagram. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 3. So question number 3 says, construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm and the another triangle whose sides are 5 oblique 7 oblique 5. Stop. So question number 3 says construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 oblique 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Give a justification in the construction. So here also we need a justification. So this is a diagram for question number 3. So step 1 is draw a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Draw a line segment of AB that is of 5 centimeter. Okay. After that, taking A and B as a center, taking A and B as a center, draw an arc of 6 centimeter. So we have to draw an arc of 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter radius respectively. Let these arcs intersect each other at the point C. So here, this is the point C. Triangle ABC is the required triangle having length of sides as 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. So triangle ABC has a respective height of 5, 6 and 7 centimeter respectively. Now let's move on to step number 2, that is draw a ray AX making acute angle with line AB on the opposite side of vertex. Draw a ray AX. So we have to draw a ray AX with a line AB on the opposite side of vertex. Now in step number 3, what we have to do is we have to locate 7 points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, as 7 is greater between 5 and 7. So we have to make this points A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 on line AX. This is line AX such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equals to A2, A3 is equals to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5 is equal to A5, A6 is equals to A6, A7, so on. Like this, these must be equal. Step 4 is join BA5. We have to join BA5 and draw a line through A7 parallel to BA5. This is line A7. We have to draw this line to intersect extended line segment AB at point B. We have to intersect this extended line segment AB at the point B. Step 5 is draw a line through point B. Here we have to draw a line through point B to BC, intersecting the extended line segment AC at C dash. Triangle A, B dash, C dash is required triangle. Here triangle A, B dash, C dash is a required triangle. After that, we are moving to the justification. So the justification is the construction can be justified by proving that A, B dash is equals to 7 upon 5, A, B, B dash, C dash is equals to 7 upon 5, BC, AC dash is equal to 7 upon 5, AC in triangle ABC and triangle A, B dash, C. Angle ABC is equals to angle A, B dash, C is corresponding angle. Angle ABC is equals to angle A, B dash, C, that is corresponding angle. Angle BAC is equals to angle B dash, A, C dash, that are common angle, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle A, B dash, C dash, that is AA similarity criterion. AB1 upon AB is equals to B dash C upon BC is equals to AC dash upon AC, that is equation first. In triangle A5B and triangle A7AB dash, they are common, so this must be equal to A5 AB is equals to angle A7 AB dash. Angle A5B is equals to angle A7 B dash, that is corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles because A5B is equals to A7 B dash, because A5B is similar to A7 B dash, that is AA similarity criterion. So after that, AB dash upon AB is equal to A5 upon A7. AB dash upon AB is equals to 5 upon 7, that is equation 2. On comparing equation 1 and 2, we obtain AB dash upon AB is equals to B dash C dash upon BC is equals to AC dash upon AC is equals to 7 upon 5. AB dash is equals to 7 upon 5 AB, comma B1 B dash C dash is equal to 7 upon 5 BC, AC dash is equal to 7 upon 5 AC. This justifies the construction. So here is the diagram for question number 3. So guys, this is all for the video. Hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like and share this video with your friends to get updated with NCRT solution. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Aglasam School YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.